What's up guys, Reggie P here. Hey, do you know those annoying memes that you keep seeing on your Facebook and Instagram page? Well, how would you like to make money from making these memes? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money simply by making memes. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that will help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe today. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I might be giving away some free money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you what you need to do to start making money making memes. Here we go. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm going to go to this website called Picture Punches. Let's go there right now. Sorry for the internet going so slow. All right, and we're at Picture Punches, and it says here at the top, join our community of funny members who like to earn from their sense of humor. So it has languages, all different type of languages, English, Turkish, Russian, Italian, Hindu, Spanish, Filipino, German, Arabic, French, Japanese. And there's all the categories. Got football, sports memes, GTA, Minecraft, real gangsters. So we got a lot of different categories that you can add your memes to. So okay, let's go back here. All right, as you can see right now, this meme right here is kind of new. It only has 7 impressions, haven't made any money. So once you put up a meme, you're going to make money from it through the advertisement that's attached to these memes. So every time they get an impression and you get to a certain number of impression, you will get some money. Now to find out how much you'll get once you sign up, they'll let you know on that. But from my experience, it's like from 1 cent to 20 cents for so many impressions. So once you get up to $1 or more, you can cash it out through via PayPal. Now, what I'm going to do now is show you the website where you can make memes real quick, so you can get as many memes as you can out there to maximize your money. All right, I'm at this website called IMG Flip, and it's a meme generator. So you can go here and make your meme real quick. You upload an image, and as you can see down here, it lets you put top text and bottom text. So, real easy and simple. And so you can make a meme in less than a minute or two. So you can get as many memes as you can out here and then upload them to that other site. And slowly but surely you will gain some money. I know it's some few cents, but you will get some money. As time goes on, it's going to add up. All right, what I'm going to do is put both of the links to these websites in the description below, so you know where to go to get a meme created, or generated or made, and the website where you can go and upload the meme to start making a little money. So now you know the websites you can go to right now and start making money, making memes. So go ahead and sign up at picturepunches.com and then go to the meme generator website and start making your memes. Now, for watching this video to the very end, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about how you can win free money. But first, I want to do this for you. I want to give away 3 free gifts. Now, to get these 3 free gifts, you need to go to my website, which is called App Grind Substation. So what you're going to do is subscribe to this channel first. This is the only way you can get those free gifts. So subscribe to this channel first. Then you're going to go to my website. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see 3 ebooks. Those ebooks are free for you to download. So the ebooks are about Facebook ads, making money with affiliate marketing, and making money on YouTube. Now, these are popular books that were written by some successful people that mastered these fields. So go ahead and download those ebooks right now for free. Now, let's talk about the free money I want to give away. Now, I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And what I'm going to do, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with money or an Amazon gift card. But before I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person for every milestone I hit. My next milestone I want to hit is 300 subscribers, because currently I'm at 215 subscribers. So once I hit 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a person with money when I look at their comments. So you need to drop a comment in this video or any videos that I make after this. So any videos I make in the future leading up to 300 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a comment in there and announce that this person has won, and have that person send me their email address or their PayPal email address, and I will send them the money. Now, if they want the card, I will just email them the Amazon gift card. Now, the amount that I'm giving away is $20 cash and a $20 Amazon gift card. So go ahead and drop a comment and subscribe so you could get a chance to win this money. Now, that's all I have for today. Again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. Drop a comment below. Share this with your friends and family. And share this on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Well, that's all I have for today, but you don't have to leave my channel yet. Just go ahead and watch this video right here, which is called How You Can Make Money Drawing Boxes and Photos. Just go ahead and check out that video. All right, that's all I have. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. So I draw this right here and draw this right there. Bingo, more money, more money. What's up, guys? Reggie P here.